Hey everybody, Max here. We're doing something a bit different today as we interview Nina, a model, influencer, and independent artist who lives in the greater Tokyo area. And those of you who might be interested in coming to Japan and pursuing careers in entertainment, you might be interested in this as well. Don't forget to follow Nina on Instagram and give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so already. Alright, so we are here today with Nina.
Yeah.
She is a model and an influencer, so why don't you start by telling us a little bit about yourself, Nina?
First, I'm not Japanese. I'm from Shanghai, China, UK, and have been here about 10 years. And now I'm do modeling and influencer, and also I'm a photographer, and sometimes I take photos.
So, how did you find a job as a model here in Japan?
Register, yeah, lots of agencies, and from agencies they give me lots of jobs, and I can choose which job I want to do.
So what kind of jobs do you usually do for your agency?
Clothes. For clothes.
Fashion.
Fashion, yeah. For fashion, clothes, and for accessories.
You shoot videos too?
Yeah, videos too. For example, just like some soap. Like some soap. So, the video for soap, and the video for, I've got the supplement.
So for exercise, weight loss?
Exercise, yeah, for exercise and for diet.
Okay. So do you exercise a lot for your job?
I don't like gym.
You don't like going to the gym?
I don't like it.
Oh no!
You know why? 同じポーズ。Okay, say it.
Like you don't like doing the same emotion over and over.
Yeah, I don't like the same emotion over and over. I feel very bored with it.
Because I understand, especially when I'm running, I just get so bored. Why did you decide to become a model here in Japan, not China?
When I started my modeling in my 14.
You've been modeling since 14?
14.
Wow!
みんなそうブランド立てて、で副校長来て、OK 字幕ね。副校長来てて、君来なさい。
So the vice principal chose you?
Chose me, yeah, chose me. And I don't know, happened.
Were you feeling like scared, like, why is the vice principal calling me?
Yeah, what I did, I don't know. My副校長 said they are from TV, yeah, and you two, me and one boy, you two go with them to take a vaccine.
And that's how it started?
Yeah, that's how it started.
Did you feel nervous shooting?
Very nervous, and just, I'm trying, I don't know what the heck I can do. And when we finished, I thought, what I did, run back home and to tell my grandma. From their eyes, I feel very proud of it.
When you came to Japan, did you speak any Japanese?
Mm-hmm.
Really? When did you start learning?
When I'm in Shanghai.
When in Shanghai? In school?
In school, in Japanese school. But you know the grammar. Yeah.
It's backwards compared to Chinese.
Yeah.
Same with English.
Yeah, so difficult to learn Japanese, But the same thing is kanji. The kanji, almost kanji is from China.
Yeah.
When I see the kanji, I know, what do you say about it? But before I came to Japan, I just thought, everybody can speak English here. Maybe when I speak English, they will know what I say. English is okay, but when I arrived here, no. In Japan, English is just like katakana.
Like katakana English.
Katakana English.
Like soccer, basketball.
Yeah, it's difficult for me to pronounce them.
Yeah. Do you think learning Japanese is very useful for somebody who wants to be a model in Japan?
Yeah, the number one most important thing here. True.
yeah. A lot of the productions that I've worked on where there was where they had a lot of foreign actors and models, they did always have somebody who had to communicate and translate to people who don't speak Japanese. But I also noticed that a lot of times they're foreigners too. So I always think it's like, that's pretty cool. So if you can actually get really good at Japanese, and the entertainment industry is something that you could really do some work in.
Japanese people, they are osaime.
Osaime. Very shy, like
very
hazakashi.
shy. Yeah,
Japanese,
yeah,
we both forgot the word.
Yeah.
私たちほんまに日本語喋れる?
Even I'm a Chinese in here, but I haven't any Chinese friends around me. That's why I can't speak perfect Japanese.
For a lot of English speakers in Japan, they always spend time with other English speakers.
Yeah,
and
the same country. Yeah.
And so they never really get a chance to learn or experience Japanese. And that's makes it very difficult for them.
Yeah. And don't be shy.
So can you tell us a little bit about your line stamps?
Oh yeah, I drew it by myself. It took me 6 months to draw it by my head, by myself, not by computer.
And you're also selling these stamps too?
Yeah, I'll sell my stamps.
Yes, so let's see, right here, there's the link. Go check that out if you're using Line, support Nina's little business, because, she does some really good stuff. They're very cute little stamps, and I think that you'll enjoy them too. Well, anyways, Nina, thank you very much for taking some time out from your schedule, joining me today.
Thank you very much.
Here's also her Instagram link. It will be in the video description, so give her a follow if you haven't. Remember to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
再见